Hi everyone, it's Sehaj and it's my day 2 in Mumbai, and if you haven't watched the first vlog, please go ahead and check it out. Yesterday I went to Linking Road and we did some jewelry shopping there. I got 4 necklaces for myself and I got 1 pair of shorts. This is the first one. This is the first necklace. It's a flower printed necklace. This is the second necklace. I even had this before. I got it even before and then I just lost it. I even don't know if I have it like with me or not, but I was not able to find it anywhere, so I just ended up buying another one. And after that I got this seashell one. This is just beautiful. Wait, how should I show it to you? Look at this. This is so cute. And then at last I got a dress, so I will be wearing this with it. I don't know if it's red or brown, but yeah, here it is. Got these pair of shorts. But guys, it's just my second day in Bombay and I'm not feeling the city. Like, it's not hitting me, it's not hitting mom, it's not hitting Harjot. We were like, I had gone to Hyderabad before and the city was pretty nice. It's like more fun. I think for me, I just found it more beautiful. I just found it like more convenient. The transport was near. Metro was just like 2 minutes away, not even 2 minutes, like 30 seconds away. We had everything nearby. Over here, I think the location I chose in Bombay, like for the hotel, it's so bad. Like, everything is so far away. Transport, it's so expensive. Yesterday we went to Bandra Fort, but it was closed. I didn't know about that. The person, you know, yesterday we had this cab driver and he was like, you know, we'll just go to the St. Mary Church. No, it was Mount Mary. We went to Mount Mary Church and he was like, no, there is nothing to see over there. And then he took us to seaside. I think it was like Sea Link Shore. And he was like, no, there is nothing even to show here. And then he took to one another side. He just like convinced us to take to the third side. And he was like, this is Bandra Fort. And at the third side, he was like, maybe it would have been closed. And then after that, we asked him like, don't you know that if it's closed before or not? And he was like, I don't know. And he's living here for 15 years. Like, what is that behavior? I don't even know about that. Like, I don't know if he was mostly, I think he was scamming us, but I'm not sure about that. Kinda, we got scammed. And I think yesterday I was not feeling it because in my previous vlog, even I had showed that from the airport, it just took us 1 hour just to find like a cab or like, you know, even auto. We were not even fitting in auto. Like, we can't get in one auto. We had so much luggage with us. We at least had 6 bags. I don't know for what we are carrying 6 bags. Guys, fit check. This shirt भाई की शर्ट है. पेंट पता नहीं किसी बाजार से ली थी. शूज शूज मेरे को गिफ्टेड है. गॉट फ्रॉम लिंकिंग रोड. ये मैंने हैदराबाद से लिया था. ये मैंने हरजोत का मारा हुआ है. गो हेड. जल्दी बता. क्या? योर आउटफिट चेक. गिव योर आउटफिट चेक.
ये लिया था ये बाजार से.
कौन सा बाजार?
पजामा लिया था बटाले से. 1500 बूट लिए थे नाइकी से 10,000 के. और का है? नहीं, बस ज्यादा हो गया. इतना नहीं बताना.
लिफ्ट बहुत छोटी है जिसमें हम पूरे
इसका हाथ बहुत छोटा है.
मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ यार. यार मम्मी भी आज में से.
ये मेरा बहुत सुंदर बेटा है लेकिन बहुत बदतमीज है.
We came at Gateway of India, बट ये भी बंद है. हम जहाँ पर भी जा रहे हैं सब कुछ बंद है. बट उन्होंने कहा कि अगर हम बिफोर 4:30 आते तो इट वुड हैव बीन पॉसिबल. बट अब खुला था. हाँ, उन्होंने हमें सुबह कहा था कि अगर आप थोड़ा अर्ली आते तो हो जाता था. गाइज लुक एट हाउ एक्सट्रोवर्ट आई एम. चला जो तू डिप्रेशन में क्यों है? डिप्रेशन में क्यों है तू?
मैं गाने सुन रहा था. मेरा रेड सिग्नल तोड़ा ना.
Marine Drive friendly. This is going to be our last spot, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है, बहुत ज़्यादा, like way too beautiful than I had expected it to be. कुछ भी हो कहते दिखता भी नहीं है यहाँ से.
8080
मेरे को लगा आपने कॉल काट दी होगी. मेरा नीचे ध्यान नहीं था.
वो घूम रहा है आवाज मोबाइल में. 808.
पहले मेरे को 2 बंदे रोस्ट कर रहे थे, आज 3 कर रहे हैं.
साइलेंट थोड़ा पीछे ये अच्छी स्मेल है गाइस मैं तो ऐसे ही कहूं that's my guy that's my room that's my shaking wait guys do not see this you see this way this way yeah you see this way this is our Macdi come on this is our slums. This is slums for the day.
It was such a fun day. You know, I said something like morning, right? That line. It's my second day in Bombay and I'm not feeling the city. Like, it's not hitting me. I'm gonna take it back because I enjoyed so much. Today we went to Colombo and then we went to Gateway of India. You already had seen it in the vlog, right? And then we went to Marine Drive. I swear, the sunset, it was so beautiful. Everything was so good. Gateway of India was closed because they said that there was some function going and it's gonna stay there till for like next 4 days. And they just have timings, you know, you can just go there in the morning and then you have to leave. Like, there are like some particular timings that you have to go by and then you just have to leave. And maybe it's because of Christmas, because there are a lot of other places that are closed due to this, and even New Year's Eve. So but I enjoyed a lot today because yesterday I was like, no, this is not up for me, I'm not feeling it. But today I think everything went so great. Like, people are so good. Like, I think today all the people I met was so good, so kind. Like, the clip of, you know, where we were like talking with this uncle, his name was Nitin Chauhan. He was so good. I think he works in a company, but he do even like, you know, part-time of, you know, just a cab and all that stuff. He was so nice. They were roasting me and my brother and him. They were roasting me for 30 straight minutes. My mom was looking at me, she was laughing, and I was like, why me only? Like, bro, you were laughing at me this whole time. And they were like, you know, making fun of me. We were like getting problems with the TV, so we called the manager. He came, he sat with us for 1 hour. We were talking. He was from Assam and he was telling about all his stories, like what's the disputes between Assam and Bangladesh going, and we have some problems. We had problems before, and then he just got back. I think for me the best part would definitely is going to be Colombo 1, and I think I'm staying in Bandra East right now. Bandra East is like okay, it's like a lot of companies, lot of buildings over here. But if you'll go to Colombo, it's like a whole different, right? It's like there's a Portuguese touch over there, right? And we can see it, and it's just so beautiful. But now we're gonna go and I'm gonna have some dinner. Guys, today it's day 3 officially in Mumbai, and today I had my interview, my US Embassy interview, and I got rejected. There's like mass rejections going on right now. My interview was like around 2 minutes long, but still they just rejected me. I think I did a lot well, but now I'm just like going to, you know, change my all plans. I'm gonna make a different video about what is happening in the Mumbai consultancy right now, because things are changing, because, you know, maybe Trump is coming and the policy will be changing soon when he will be inaugurated, right? But right now we are going to Juhu Beach. I got all dressed up. Mommy is here. Mommy is stressed because I made her stress. Mommy, आप तंग आ रखे हो ना मेरे से? अभी मना कर रही है, वैसे हाँ ही कहती है ये. But yeah, we got all dressed. We will be leaving soon, but I don't even know if the beach is open or not. This is the fit jack dress. Got this necklace that I bought like, you know, 2 days ago from Linking Road. I even had my earrings, but one of them just got off and I don't know where it went. But yes, this is it. And shoes, of course. Oh, nice. I did nice makeup job today. जो बीच पे आई मम्मी क्या, मम्मी फिर से बोलना क्या बोला अभी आपने?
ये तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है जैसे ऋषिकेश जी की गंगा है.
Let me make you see. Wait. Guys, the reality of Juhu Beach. मेरे को कितने जनों ने मना किया, but I insisted that I should go and just realize it by myself. So हाँ, सुबह आएंगे. सुबह I think we are planning early. We are going, yeah, we are planning to come early morning. 5 बजे आएंगे, सनराइज देख के जाएंगे. अब हम जल्दी चले जाएंगे और सो जाएंगे. Yeah, we are going to Prithvi Cafe probably. In plan right now, but yeah, will not stay here for long. Probably just like 30 minutes more. भाई यहाँ पर रेट ऐसे है जैसे जमीन को छू रहे हैं. 200 की एक नॉर्मल पाव भाजी. कैसी है? अच्छी. Okay. Guys, try from this place. Ganesha Bhavan. Hi कह दो. Hi. Hello कह दो. टेस्टी है ना, मिल्क शेक जैसा टेस्ट आ रहा है।
फालूदा खाना है अपना।
मिल्क शेक जैसा टेस्ट है ना।
कैशियो डूब रहा है, कैशियो बात है
ठंडा। भैया ये सच्ची पुलिस लाइक भगा देती है 9:30 के बाद, 9:30 के बाद पुलिस भगा देती है।
नहीं, 11:30 बजे के बाद 12 बजे भगाएगा।
यहाँ पर भी
12:30 बजे के बाद भगाएगा।
नहीं, यहाँ पर भी।
ये स्कूल है
भैया हेलो कह दो, ब्लॉग कर रही। 10:30 पे पृथ्वी कैफे बंद होने वाला है। वी आर रशिंग, इट्स 10:15 PM राइट नाउ। So crowded. That's why I'm speaking slowly, but yeah, it's beautiful. We're sitting on the back side. There is even the front side, but there was no table, so we have to wait for like 10 minutes. We just came in last minute, so only 6 minutes are left, and after that, yeah, we'll just basically go to hotel. This is blueberry shake, white sauce pasta. Mom got chai and she already completed it. This is tasty though. Even that is tasty.